The Ninja Speedi SF301 Rapid Cooker Air Fryer is a countertop multi-cooker that easily prepares a complete, multi-textured meal in as little as 15 minutes, all in one pot, using 12-in-1 functionality including steaming and air frying at the same time. Pros: the speed, it not only preheated quickly, but cooked many different foods at a rapid pace. The size and capacity were also ideal. It easily fits on a standard kitchen countertop, and can be stored in pantries or cabinets with ease, thanks to its relative lightweight. The insert itself is also sizable and large enough to produce up to 4 servings of a well-rounded meal. The high number of functions: we love the number of cooking methods you can use with this appliance, especially the steaming capability. It worked nicely with a variety of foods, which was more than desirable with today's trend of steaming more dishes. Easy to clean. The non-stick pot and crisper tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Cons: the Ninja Speedi does not pressure cook. While we found this to be disappointing, mainly because the Ninja Foodi does have a pressure cook function, we did think the heating element that crisps the food in the Speedi is enough of a win to forget about the lack of pressure cooking. We performed a variety of tests to get a broad sense of the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer and its many functions. These tests included the following: we air-fried tater tots, steamed and crisped chicken wings, steamed and crisped salmon fillets, steamed cauliflower florets, and lastly, proofed, steamed and crisped pizza dough. Additionally, we tested a couple recipes from the recipe booklet, including frittata Lorraine and Parmesan chive potato wedges. Lastly, we did some side-by-sides to the Ninja Foodi, to see how the two products compared. Air frying. For the air-fried tater tots, the manual recommends the air fry function. You can cook 1 pound at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 19 to 22 minutes. It also suggests shaking, tossing, and flipping often for best results. We found that the tater tots got very crispy and a deep golden brown by 18 minutes. We only shook the crisper tray once halfway through and had great results. Plus, no oil is required to achieve such a crispy texture. Steam and crisping chicken wings. For the steamed and crisped chicken wings, the manual provides instructions for cooking chicken wings from fresh and frozen, which we found very helpful. We cooked fresh chicken wings, seasoned with just salt and pepper, using the steam and crisp function. They cooked at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. We found that they were very crispy and a deep golden brown. And as an added bonus, we didn't even need to flip them. It also only took about 6 minutes for the steam to build, so it was very quick and easy to make these chicken wings. The chicken wings made in the Ninja Speedi had a crisper exterior compared to the Ninja Foodi. Steam and crisping frozen fish. For the steamed and crisp salmon fillets, we tested 4 frozen salmon fillets, about 6 ounces each. The Speedi recommended using the steam and crisp function and cooking with the crisper tray in the elevated position at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 to 15 minutes. What we found was very impressive. The fish was moist and the outside was perfectly golden brown. We were very impressed by how nicely it cooked a piece of frozen fish. Again, much more successful in browning than the Ninja Foodi. Steaming vegetables. For the steamed cauliflower florets, we used the steam function to cook the florets from 1 large head of cauliflower. We added half a cup of water to the pot, inserted the tray in the bottom position, then added the florets. It cooked for 10 minutes. The cauliflower was not mushy or overcooked, and it was nicely tender. It would be an amazing, healthy preparation for a variety of fresh veggies. Proofing and cooking pizza dough. For the proofed, steamed and crisped pizza dough, we followed the instructions in the recipe book. There is a recipe in the provided booklet called Pizza Dough Pretzel Bites with Honey Mustard. The refrigerated pizza dough is proofed in the Ninja Speedi, then cooked using the steam and crisp function. We found the proofing function to work very well, and the recipe was incredibly successful and delicious. They really tasted like homemade, baked pretzels. The steaming allowed the dough to cook through and stay moist, while the final crisp made them golden brown. We were very impressed by this recipe. The footprint the Speedi takes up on the kitchen counter is similar to the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, but it's much lighter and easier to handle. The 6-quart bowl and crisper tray are easy to wash and clean. The Speedi is perfect not just for people like me, who are somewhat culinarily inexperienced, but for the kitchen pros as well. It makes preparing meals just so easy, simple, and fast.